Oh, God, here comes the chef.
Where's Al?
Dad.
Yeah. Come in, please. So this is
Archie.
Archie, and this is
Terrence.
Terrence.
Yes, sir. How you doing, sir?
Good to see you, bud. And this is
Terrell.
Terrell. Come over, bud, so I can see you. And this is
Kelvin.
Calvin. Right. Oh, another chef. Come through.
Joe.
Joe. So, who's the head chef? Does anyone know?
I don't do the cooking, but I'm
You don't do the
props- No, sir, not the smoked meat.
Something not quite right here. What do you do here?
I smoke some meat.
Was there anything that I tasted today that was smoked today?
Brisket.
This piece of shit here was smoked today.
No, not today. Not today.
It's disgusting. For God's sake. Is there anything today that I ate that wasn't microwaved?
Salad.
The salad. You fucking donut. Of course you don't put
But
fucking
that's the only thing that wasn't here.
Guys, I'm not laughing. I'm seriously disappointed.